This is some sodium. I wonder what happens when you... Oopsie. Quantum mechanics tells us that this is not what atoms actually look like. They look more like this, but we'll get to that later. For now, just think of atoms as having multiple electron shells. The electrons in the outermost shell are called valence electrons. Most of chemistry is really just the behavior of these electrons. Every element is listed in the periodic table. All elements in the same column or group have the same number of valence electrons. For the main groups, the number of valence electrons is just the group number from 1 to 8. Except for helium. It's too small to have 8 electrons, it can only have 2, but still, it acts like a noble gas, so it's just kind of grouped in with those. Luckily, the transition metals also follow a nice pattern. That was a lie, it's kind of a mess, but that's not so important for now, so we'll get to that later. Elements with the same number of valence electrons tend to show similar behavior in chemical reactions. For example, the first group without hydrogen